Hi everyone, welcome back to Legally Yours. I'm here again with the lovely Deborah Vella for Support Legal. And in this episode, we're actually going to talk about all things human intelligence. So thank you very much for joining me, Deborah.
Thank you.
So, okay, let's get into it. What is human intelligence? I think we're all sort of got our head around what AI is and artificial intelligence, how important that is. But what's human intelligence?
Human intelligence is using some of the concepts from psychology and actually applying it to our legal documents. So it's a bit like automation and technology can do some wonderful things and speed up processes, but human intelligence is what the drafting concepts we actually need to include in our documents to make it much more naturally appealing to our clients and every other reader.
Absolutely. And why is it important to have that fusion? Like, why shouldn't law firms just think, no, I'm just going to go with the AI and we'll just, pump it out? Why is it important for them to consider, obviously, the psychology and the HR as well as a layer over the top?
Honestly, if you take all of the documents that you've been working on for years and just pump them straight into automation software, all you're going to get is a faster train wreck. There is so much that goes through our minds when lawyers and particularly experienced lawyers sit down and actually draft the document. There's a lot that we don't actually realise that we do in fixing it up and basically making the document beautiful and appealing to our clients.
Yes.
So we need to actually go through and put all of those elements into our documents when we prepare the original before we put it into the automation software.
I love it. And so talk me through that process. So how do you actually teach and work with law firms to teach them about the human intelligence? How do you draw all that sort of intel out of them?
Okay, so I have a list of about 10 or 12 concepts that we go through. Everything varies depending on the quality of the document that currently is and what the legal solution intends to be.
Okay.
So, for example, there are lots of people out there. Lawyers are mostly visual people, but there is a lot of people who learn through hearing things or through examples. So when we actually present legal content to our clients, say, for example, through questions in an interview, we need to present it in a way that our target clients are actually going to understand. So there's no point creating a wonderful, 10 pages of instructions if it's so much simpler to simply include a 2-minute video.
Yeah.
People resonate a lot more with those videos, and they understand exactly what you mean. They know what they need to do, and if you're able to do that with minimal manual input in your own legal solution, that frees up so much of your time.
I absolutely love that, because it's not something that, and look, as lawyers, we are trained very much in, like you say, in that visual component, but also, we operate in words, so a lot of words.
Everybody does.
Absolutely. So I absolutely love the concept. I love how you really work and tailor and take time to also get the lawyers thinking about how their clients process the information, because, I think as an industry, we're so internally focused on making sure that we're doing all the right things and checking the right boxes and meeting our regulations and those sorts of things. But often we forget to think about, well, is the client going to actually understand this? Are they going to get the end result? And is that going to help us build a better relation with them? So I love it. So if this is resonating with you and you would like to learn more about how you too can work with Deborah Vella at Support Legal, head to supportlegal.com.au and you can find out all the information there. Deborah, thank you so much for chatting me. I've absolutely loved every episode that we've filmed, and we're really excited to be obviously partnered with Support Legal and delivering that to all the lawyers that we have. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great, thanks.